Elevate your 3D printing project management with Print&Go AI-assisted planning. It uses artificial intelligence to enhance your 3D printing operations and consider factors like material usage, print speed, and even potential structural issues. But AI-assisted planning doesn't just stop there. It helps you make an intelligent production scheduling and optimize resource allocation. Your QE files will be automatically organized through different priority criteria. No more wasted time or wasted materials. Optimize your workflow with Print&Go. Happy printing!